Hi there. This is going to be a quick bite video on how to pickle vegetables. It's easier than you think. Let's get to it. Select any vegetables you bought in bulk or neglected at the bottom of the fridge. The pickle should last about 6 months. Now start peeling the vegetables. Purple carrot, the radish. Now with a piece of ginger, it might be easier to peel it with the inside part of a spoon, like so. It'll help you get around the nooks and crannies. Now for the turmeric, you can choose to use gloves. I don't mind getting my hands dirty. Be gentle with it. Now this is going to stain a little bit. It'll take maybe a couple of hours for the orange to wash away from your hands. Look at that beautiful color. Very healthy for you. This is like a cluster bomb of vitamins. Make sure you keep your finger along the length of it so it doesn't snap off. Like so. Chop the vegetables to appropriate sizes. Guesstimate how long it should be. Same goes for the carrots. It's not an exact science, more of an art. I also found 3 huge jalapeños at the bottom of the fridge. We're going to throw those into the mix as well. Don't want them to be that spicy, so I'm going to take out the seeds. Ready to go in. Then you're going to add equal parts, 1 cup of vinegar to 1 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of salt. Any salt's fine. Kosher, halal, sea salt. Time to assemble the jars. What I like to do is lay them on the side, add a sprig of rosemary, maybe a couple cloves, a couple cloves of garlic whole, and maybe 1 smashed clove. I'll put in a large ginger, jalapeno strip, 3 or 4 turmerics, maybe a couple carrots as well, and a couple radishes, coriander and mustard seed to it as well. Now once it's chock full of the vegetables you want to pickle, oh Jesus, smells like vinegar. The boiled vinegar solution, the pickle, while it's still hot, you want to add it to the jar and cover the vegetables completely. About 3 hours, it'll be cool enough. Put it in the fridge, wait a couple days, and then give it a try. It should last you up to 6 months. So I hope you guys enjoyed that.
See you later.
Okay, see ya. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Pickled veg makes a healthy snack any time of the day. Keep cooking until next time.